What's good, YouTube? It's Car Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see, man. And today, man, we doing a stage 2 Scatpack 2 POV drive. You feel me? No burbles, you know what I'm saying? Nothing like that. We just strictly just, you know what I'm saying, stage 2. And just really just get a little POV drive in, man. See how the car drive with no burbles, just how it perform. Stuff like that. Get a few pulls, make a little noise. Nothing too crazy, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? And we got the transmission in sport, but we in custom mode. You know, I like my custom mode because I like my steering wheel in a different setting than, you know, sport. You know what I'm saying? I like it. I like my steering wheel pretty stiff when I'm driving the way I want to drive. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get straight to it, man. See what these downshift sounding like. Olivia still stop burble now. Man, don't get it twisted. Ambient light going on, man. I'll probably give y'all the second gear pull, get the truck in the way. Let the truck get down the way a little bit. Hold on. Come on, truck. Dang, now you driving a little too slow. Hold on, after the truck pad by me, hit that bit. Stick 'em. Oh. Olivia did me dirty. As soon as I hit that bit, it went to automatic. Wow. You just embarrassed me in front of my people. We're gonna try this again. Stick 'em. Damn. Well, that bit was spinning. What the traction is this street? That bit was spinning, boy. Woohoo. Hey, I know the camera don't do no justice, but hey, boy, it's a difference. But it ain't just a difference to where all y'all 10-speed trying to gang up on a nigga. Like, y'all niggas see a scat get one thing did, here come all the 10-speed. Oh, they get it. Like, they ain't big. This ain't even no performance tune, bro. It's just a tune to make me burn more gas. That's all it is. But obviously, you know what I'm saying, it ain't gonna be a stock tune. Let's see how it sound though. Throttle response a little quick. Damn. But yeah, man, y'all see what's going on, man. That mother a little smooth, straight. That mother pulling though, I can't say that. She always pulling, but you know. That mother snatching though, like, ooh, that mother shift, that bitch snatching. That bitch is snatching. Cannot lie. Damn. Ambient light acting, I gotta get some more, bro. I don't know, I got a shortage in that bitch. That cheap behind light, bro. Dang, don't do me like that. Like, come on now. Dang. Oh yeah, Olivia still pop now. Come on, don't get it twisted. Still pop now. Don't get it messed up, nigga. Cutting the truck blowing me. Give y'all the first gear pull. What is it? Oh my Lord. That bit was spinning for real. And that wasn't, and I'm not flooring it, bro. I promise y'all I'm not flooring it bit, bro. Like, nigga gonna swarm flooring it, bro. I promise y'all not, bro. I don't like flooring my car for real, especially if I ain't like, you know what I'm saying, it's a real good reason too. Like, I just hit it enough to where, you know what I'm saying, I learned to pedal. But this mother, like, what? This mother spinning. I don't know if y'all heard the little this mother spinning for sure, but like, it's spinning like way more on the road than what it normally would do. It ain't spinning for long, but from a dig though, I try to dig. Oh my goodness. On a bad road, man, but I'm talking about walking, burnout, boy. It looked like I was at Sunday Fun Day. I ain't get to get down video, but yeah, that bit too crazy. Stick 'em. That bitch Congratulations. Give me one. Woo. Give me another one. Come on, man. Ain't be a lighting pissing me off, boy. Ain't that lighting pissing me off fast. Dang, bro, just do right, bro. Damn. I know the car fast now. Damn, stay on. Come on, man. What you got going on, bro? I gotta show y'all how them, let me see if I can show y'all how it shift like when I'm just cruising. Like if I'm like just cruising but manually shifting, bro, that must be like, that must wanna just go, get up and go. That car was just, I don't know what that car got going on, bro. I know you drive slow, but it's not the speed limit, bro. I promise you that much. See, out here, like how that must be, that must just want to go, like you can't cruise with that, but it's almost like it's in track without being in track. That's what it feel like. Man, y'all get out of the way, man. Trying to lift up. My goodness. Them I ain't gonna lie, them mug is crazy though, car crew. Cannot lie. You do feel it different for sure. You do feel it different for sure, boy. I want to give y'all a sticker, but they forever to blow me, boy. Like, boy, come on, cuz. We're going like 26. Speed limit 35. It's insane, man. Anyway, man, we're riding around, you know what I'm saying, on stage 2, no burbles. You feel me? Sunlight. Olivia definitely, you feel me, is a different beast. Definitely a different beast, man. Trying to show y'all, but I don't know who grandma or whoever this is in front of me or whoever just blowed, because I'm behind them making all that noise. But it ain't got nothing to do with me. If I'm gonna be honest. It ain't got nothing to do with me, cuz. Just get out the way. If I heard a car like that behind me, I'm gonna get out the way. Don't you think? I get out the way. What y'all think? Y'all want to get out of the way? Y'all heard Olivia coming through? Ah! Ah! I would. Let me give y'all one. Hold on a second. Give y'all a second. Get pulled on. Are y'all ready? What it? Oh my gosh, bro. This is, I ain't gonna lie. This is no over exaggerating, bro. Like, I'm not flooring them. Like, you don't got to. Only way I probably got to floor that bitch if I'm trying to really, you know what I'm saying, get down with somebody. But bro, like, having fun wise and that bit pulling, bro, you do not have to floor that bit. Like 50%, bro, all you need, bro, no cap. I'm telling y'all, bro, like, cause I ain't even trying to go crazy, like, you know what I'm saying, like, over the way, like, I'm just showing y'all boys a little something, like, bro, crazy, I'm telling you. Oh my God, boy, that bitch almost broke my neck when I just damn shit just did. God damn. Man, I'm gonna feel like a cat, nigga. You better gonna feel like a cat. No cap, that bitch literally like, I'm talking about like, I had to get out that bitch. No cap. Folks gonna think I'm capping, bro. Y'all know I'm not capping, bro. I'm not gonna cap to y'all, boy. Like, if it's that, it's that. If it ain't, and I ain't saying it's the best thing in the world. Like, my car just feel like it got a cam and a pro charge in that bitch, but that bitch definitely don't feel like first day Olivia, you feel me? I can say that much for a fact, bro. Like, real deal, real wheel horsepower, nigga. Like, not to the crank, like to the wheel. Like, it's a difference, I'm telling you. And that mud shifting so, like, crazy. It almost feels scary. You feel me? Like, that mud, man. Let me get our boys a 40 roll. What it? Yeah. Bro, that mother spinning and going. I'm telling you. Look at my transmission whining. Y'all hear it? I know y'all hear that. Listen. Crazy, ain't it? I know y'all hear that little baby head cat. But that first gear downshift, bro, is so scary, dog. Like, the car literally be, you feel me, like, crazy. Bro, too crazy. Quick little thumbnail on. Quick little thumbnail in. How about? But yeah, I'm talking about, bro, oh my lord, slow down now. But yeah, that mother too crazy, cuz, like, too crazy, too vicious, too nasty, too mean, ugly. This big mean, sling, green bean, lightning McQueen, Queen Lazine, bag ass. Queen Cuisine, my fault. I said Queen Lazine, my dumb ass. But no cap though, bro. This bitch, man, come on, ambient light. Come on now. Tighten up. You feel me? I gotta get some more ambient light, bro. One of y'all boys bless a nigga with some ambient light. I prefer the flow series. Stick 'em. Oh my goodness, bro. Like, quick ones too. Like, I ain't even gotta go crazy. Just quick ones. Man, I might have to start making some money with it, bitch. And I ain't talking about YouTube, nigga. If you know, nigga. Oh my, y'all hear that? How it shift? Like, that mother shift too dangerous for me, cuz. I ain't gonna even hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. A little too dangerous for me, cuz. No cap. Anyway, man. I want to show y'all, boy, this stage 2 POV drive. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see more stage 2 POV drives, you feel me? Like, without the burbles, just, you know, see what the performance like, you know what I'm saying? Getting a few little pulls in. Maybe get some lunches in one day, lunch video. Bending corners, you know what I'm saying? Sliding every turn, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know, because them mother do spend time way different. I know them sliding every turn gonna be real weaky, you know what I'm saying? But, nevertheless, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. Make sure y'all boys stay blessed, stay prayed up for all my religious folk, man. Keep God first, keep him in the mix in everything that you do, man. You know what I'm saying? And y'all boys just do that. Stay down, stay humble, manifest, believe in yourself. You know what I'm saying? Do the right thing the best way you can. We ain't perfect. Y'all boys try your best to do the right thing, man. And acknowledge him in everything that you do, bro. Keep him first. I try to do that every day. I ain't perfect, but I try to do that every day, bro. No lie. But also, man, you know what I'm saying? Like I say in all the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Yeah.